balance academics, personal life, and your duties in the country?
So, pag need ng need sa school, kailangan muna i-prioritize yung CSE, yung case, then school, tapos pag umuwi, yun na yung
What is the most challenging part of being in the student council?
yung siguro yung may ano sila, nagsusunod. Pero masaya naman kasi masaya siya kasi nagcha-challenge ka mag-isa pero at the same time meron ka din kasama tapos parang nagcha-challenge ka sa leadership tapos yun